Hi all, welcome again to SmartproPhilip. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is a flagship smartphone from Samsung's Galaxy S series, released in February 2023. It supports various network technologies, including 5G, making it compatible with different cellular networks. The dimensions of Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is 163.4 x 78.1 x 8.9 mm and weight is 234 grams. It has a glass front and back protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and an aluminum frame. It is IP68 dust and water resistant up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. The phone features an Armor aluminum frame with enhanced drop and scratch resistance. The display is Dynamic AMOLED 2X with a 120Hz refresh rate and HDR10+ support. The size is 6.8 inches with a high brightness level of 1200 nits and a peak brightness of 1750 nits. The resolution is 1440 x 3088 pixels with a 19.3:9 aspect ratio. Operating system Android 13 with One UI 5.1. Chipset is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 with an octa-core CPU. GPU is Adreno 740. No memory card slot is provided. The internal storage options include 256GB with 8GB RAM, 256GB with 12GB RAM, 512GB with 12GB RAM, and 1TB with 12GB RAM. On the rear is a quad-camera setup with 200-megapixel primary camera, 10-megapixel periscope telephoto camera, 10-megapixel telephoto camera and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The front camera is a 12-megapixel wide camera. Video recording capabilities include 8K at 24/30 frame per second. The battery is a non-removable 5000 mAh lithium-ion battery. Fast charging, 45 watts wired charging with 65% charge in 30 minutes. Wireless charging, 15 watts. Reverse wireless charging, 4.5 watts. Available in various colors, including Phantom Black, Green, Cream, Lavender, Graphite, Sky Blue, Lime, Red, and BMW M Edition. Price. The price may vary by region starting at $860.